What's up, kings and queen? From the title, you already don't know what your girl is going to be cooking. So right here, I have my pot on medium heat. I'm gonna wait until this water dry out to add my oil. Now, this is a type of brand of oil I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using olive oil. All right, so I have my cup here. I'm going to be putting about 3 teaspoons of ketchup in there. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some water and just mix very well to combine the ketchup and the water together. I'm just going to go ahead and set this to the side to use in my pot for later. All right, now it's time to add my oil. Now to my oil, I'm going to go ahead and add my onions. A little piece of ginger. Scotch bonnet pepper. My scallions. Then I'm going to add my tomatoes. Then my sweet pepper. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and give this a mix around. Now I kind of want to cook this until my season or veggie get a little bit soft. Then I'm going to be adding complete. Now complete is all you need, because when it says complete, it means complete. It has all the season in there that you need. I'm going to go ahead and combine this by mixing everything together. Then I'm going to go ahead and squeeze a half a lemon. Then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of vinegar. Mix that well to combine everything together. Now let's go ahead and add our ketchup and water. I didn't add the whole cup. I had about half a cup of it. And the reason why I add half a cup is because I like gravy and I want gravy on my rice. So if you're not a gravy fan, don't add so much. A little bit of butter. Then I'm going to go ahead and cover this for about 5 minutes so everything can combine together. All right, then I'm going to add my fish. Guys, you should smell this. This smells awesome, and the fish don't cook it. Imagine when the fish don't cook, eh? Ciao. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and add all my fish. All right, so I'm gonna just move around the season Make sure that every piece is coated nicely. Shake up my pot a little bit, you know. Then I'm going to add some garlic, some crushed garlic. I have about 6 crushed garlic I'm adding to the pot. And I'm going to add my carrots and my okra. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover my pot and give this a good 15-20 minutes. Now it's been about 15 minutes now. Checking on my pot, everything looks good, smell nice. Now I'm gonna add some tough crackers on top of my fish and make this cook down for another 5 minutes. Guys, you should smell this. Lord, it smells amazing. And y'all know how I love fish. Fish is like one of my favorite dish. Alright, so I'm gonna just continue adding my tough crackers. And when it's finished, I'll come back and show you what the finish looks like. Alright guys, here you go, the final look. This, smells amazing. My mouth run water. I can't even talk for too long. But guys, if you enjoy this dish, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and write in the comment what you would like to see me cook next. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. Until next time guys, bye.